Namaste children, I am Hari Prasad, your chemistry teacher. Children, let us proceed with the next compound. See, this is a compound. See, first what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to identify the parent chain. Parent chain is the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms containing a functional group. Now, if I consider straight chain as parent chain, it has got how many carbon atoms? 4, right? Now, to this parent chain, what is attached? Ethyl group is attached. Okay. Now, to which carbon ethyl group is attached? From left side, second carbon. From right side, third carbon. Out of 3 and 2, which is least? 2 is least. So, the name of the compound is what, children? It is 2-ethyl butane. Children, next question. Is this 2-ethyl butane right or wrong? According to me, it is wrong. Why? Reason is, see, we can write C2H5 as what? CH2 and CH3. When I do like this, see, the parent chain, like by considering the straight as parent chain, we have only 4 carbon atoms. On splitting, right, see, if I consider this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the number of carbon atoms in the parent chain will be what, children? 5. Out of 4 and 5, which is more? Obviously, it is what? 5. Now, common sense says that straight chain is not my parent chain. My parent chain will be what? This one. The one which I have put in a block. Now, to this parent chain, what is attached? Methyl group is attached. Now, I have to number. When I number, this will be 1, this will be 2, and this will be 3, 4, 5. From this way, if I number, this will be 1, 2, and 3. Sir, from both the directions, that is from right to left and left to right, the carbon to which methyl group is attached, that carbon is getting what number? 3. So, the name of this compound is what, children? It is 3-methyl. That is, third carbon methyl is attached. Root word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is pent. Single bonds. So, it is ane. So, the name of this compound is 3-methyl pentane. It is not what, children? 2-ethyl butane. Clear, children? Okay, children. This is the next compound. Now, sir, this compound is same as previous compound? No, it is not same. Just check. Now, in this compound, straight chain has got how many carbon atoms? 5. If I consider the straight chain as parent chain, then what will be the name of this compound? Right, sir? To this straight chain, what is attached again? Ethyl group is attached. That ethyl group is attached to which carbon? From left side, it is attached to second carbon. From right side, it is attached to fourth carbon. Out of 2 and 4, which is least? 2. So, is the name of the compound is 2-ethyl pentane? No. What is the name of the compound? Sir, we can write C2H5 as what? CH2 and CH3. If you add these two, C2H5. Same. Why are you splitting? On splitting, what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of carbon atoms, right, increased by what? 1. What I am trying to say is that if you consider straight chain as parent chain, you have how many carbon atoms? 5. If you consider this as parent chain, we'll get how many carbon atoms? 6. Obviously, 6 is more. Then, this is my parent chain. To this parent chain, what is attached? Methyl group is attached. The next thing is we have to do the numbering. How to do the numbering? Right to left and left to right. I will try right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For which number I have to put a circle? Yes, you are right. Fourth one. Why? Sir, to the fourth carbon, what is attached? Methyl. Let me do the numbering from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For which number I have to put a circle? Third one. Now, common sense says that the carbon to which methyl group is attached, from right to left it is getting 4. From left to right it is getting what? 3. Out of 3 and 4, which is least, children? 3. So the name of the compound will be what? Sorry. This way of numbering is wrong and this way of numbering is right. So the name of the compound will be what, children? 3-methyl, that is to the third carbon, methyl group is attached to the compound containing how many carbon atoms? How many, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is hex. Between all the carbon atoms we have a single bond. I have to add what? Ane. So the name of the compound is 3-methyl hexane. Clear, children? Okay, children. This is the next compound. Now, how to name this compound? As usual, we have to identify the parent chain. Suppose if I consider the straight chain as parent chain, it has got how many carbon atoms? 5, right? Then, sir, here we have C2H5 now, right? As you know that C2H5 can be written as what, children? It can be written as CH2 and what, children? CH3. Now, children, is it necessary to split or not? We'll see. Now, if I consider this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is what I am trying to say is that if I consider this as parent chain, that is straight right, the number of carbon atoms what you'll get is what? 5. Okay. Let me start from here. Straight and again take a left. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many carbon atoms? 5. Sir, straight also 5. Straight right also 5. Straight left also what? 5. Now the question arises. Sir, should we split this C2H5 as CH2, CH3 in this compound or not? No need to split. Why? Because on splitting, the number of carbon atoms in the parent chain is not increasing. It remains what? Same. In the previous compounds, the number of carbon atoms in the parent chain was increasing on splitting. That's why we splitted. Here, there is no use of splitting. So, we will consider this as dash only C2H5. Then our parent chain will be which one? The straight chain, which is having 5 carbon atoms. So, next thing is we have to do the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, from both the directions, the carbon to which ethyl group is attached, that carbon is getting what number, children? 3. So, the name of the compound is 3-ethyl. That is, the location of the ethyl group is third carbon. 3-ethyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is what, children? Pent. Single bond, single bond, single bond. It is ane. So, the name of the compound is 3-ethyl pentane. Is it clear, children? Okay, children. We'll proceed with the next compound. Now, children, which is the parent chain? Okay, first we'll check with the straight one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Straight chain has got how many carbon atoms? 5 carbon atoms. So, to this straight chain, 2 side chains are attached. That is, 2 substituent groups are attached. One is methyl and another one is what? Ethyl group. Okay. Now, children, straight chain, 5 carbon atoms. Okay. Let me try one more direction. Straight left. That is 1, 2, 3 plus 2 here. 4, 5. Okay. Straight right. 1, 2, 3 plus 2. 4, 5. There is no increase in the number of carbon atoms. So, what we'll do is that we'll consider straight chain only as what chain, children? Parent chain. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, to which number I have to put a circle? Third carbon. Why? Because this is the carbon to which what is attached? Ethyl group and as well as what, children? Methyl group. Now, children, this compound has got ethyl group which starts with alphabet E and methyl group which starts with alphabet M. Children, we all have learned ABCD alphabets, right? Now, when we tell ABCD, which is the alphabet that is going to come first? Obviously, it is E. and then what? M. That is, the next rule is alphabetical order. That is, when we have a substituent groups like this, right? So the substituent group which comes first in the alphabetical order, that has to be named first. That is, ethyl group should come first and then the methyl group. Now children, ethyl group is attached to which carbon? Third carbon. So it is 3 ethyl. Now to the same third carbon, what is also attached? Methyl group is attached. Hyphen 3 hyphen methyl, right? Third carbon ethyl to the same third carbon methyl. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is what children? Pent. Single bond. It is ane. So the name of the compound is 3 ethyl 3 methyl pentane. Is it clear children? Okay children, let us proceed with the next compound. First we will try to identify the parent chain. Now we always look for a straight chain first. Straight chain has got how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Then one more possibility. 1, 2, 3 and then take a right. 4. Sir, this way also what? 4. Straight right also what? 4. So which one we should consider as parent chain? Yes, you are right. Straight chain. Okay. Let me put the parent chain in a block. Now to this parent chain, two side chains are there. That is, two substituent groups are there. One is bromo and another one is what children? Methyl. Next thing is I have to do the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now common sense says that for which and all carbons I have to put a circle. Sir, second carbon Y. From right side to the second carbon bromo is attached and to the third carbon methyl is attached. Okay children. Now when I do the numbering from left side, 1, 2, 3, 4. For which numbers I have to put a circle? Sir, to the second carbon methyl group is attached and to the third carbon bromo is attached. Okay, there is some rule called as lowest sum rule. Okay, let me just check. What is 2 plus 3? 5. What is 2 plus 3? 5. What is this? Then which way of numbering is correct? How to know that? Yes, we have one more option. What is that? Again, sir, when we tell ABCD, bromo which starts with B and methyl which starts with M, which one will come first? Obviously, B will come first. Then, when such kind of situation arises, that is, the sum of the positions on both the sides are same, that is 5 and 5, then the numbering is done in such a way that, right, the one which comes, first in the alphabetical order, that carbon has to be assigned with the lowest number. That is, bromo comes right. By numbering in which direction, the carbon to which bromo is attached, that carbon will get the lowest number. Obviously, from right side, the carbon to which bromo is attached, that carbon will get 2. From left side, the carbon to which bromo is attached, that will get what number? 3. So, I am getting the lowest number when I number from right to left. So, this will be right and this will be wrong. So, the name of the compound will be what children? To the second carbon. To the second carbon, what is attached? Bromo. Then, to the third carbon, what is attached? Methyl. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. It is but, single bonds, ane. So, it is 2 bromo, 3 methyl, butane. Is it clear children? Okay children, that's it for the day. We'll continue the remaining compounds in the next class. Thank you children. Namaste everybody.